Hey, in this video editing tutorial, I will show you how to export a video in Premiere Pro. To get started, if you go up to File and scroll down to Export, and then click on Media. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command M with your project selected, and this will also open the export menu. Now that we have the export menu open, you can start by adding the file name that you would like the export called, and then where it says location, you can click the text beside it, which will open a window and allow you to change your location of where you would like to export the video. Next, you want to make sure that the preset is set to match source, adaptive high bitrate, and then that the format is set to H.264, which will save the video as an MP4. Next, to make sure that you get the best video quality export, if you click on Video and then click on More, and then make sure that Render at maximum depth and Use maximum render quality are both checked. After this, you can click the Export button at the bottom, and this will export your video to the location that you have selected. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.